Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about rolling over futures, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
I just had a quick question. If you're going to roll over a contract like maybe wheat or CL, something that unlike stocks just going up, do you pay for the whole contract again or just the transaction fee? Do you pay $12 to roll it over, or do you pay the $75 plus $12? Is it like starting from scratch again?
It's just the commission of getting out and then getting back in.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're not paying for the difference between it because you haven't lost anything or gained anything.
Yeah, you already have the contract, right?
Yeah. You're just starting at a different place on the scale.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah. Because I've been letting some of my oil contracts go, and I'm realizing that was really dumb. I could have been rolling them over because the price is going back and forth.
You just have to understand what's the relationship between all the different contracts. They are futures contracts. They are predicting a specific price in the future at a specific time in the future. That's all they are. And they can run concurrently. And so if you want to have a continuous position, then you have to jump from one contract to the other, but recognize that now the other one is on a different time frame. Yeah. They should be acting the same because they're both looking at the exact same underlying information, but their orientation is different because they're looking at a different future goal. So getting in and out of them is just a matter of paying the commission and understanding that when you get into the next one, that you're going to be getting into a completely different contract, but looking at the same stuff, but with a different goal.
So same strikes, but the profit line is going to be a little different.
No, the profit itself doesn't change because the profit is your profit. That's what your gains are after you make an unrealized position into a realized position. Profit's the same. It's just the way it's recorded on a continuous contract that's different. What's happening to the underlying, right? How can that change? That doesn't change, right? Oil itself isn't all of a sudden jumping up or jumping down when you roll a contract. That's just dumb. It's just not. Oil's just continuing going on in its merry way in the business world. But the way we record it is changing because we have different goals now for that recording.
Okay.
The only reason why you're rolling is to stay into a position,
That's right.
You know that one contract's ending and the other one is beginning or is in play. When I say in play, it means that most of the volume for the previous contract now is rolling over and switching lanes and going into this new contract. It's the only reason why you do it is to try to maintain the most vibrant contract so that you can keep holding the position. Your profit doesn't change at all other than the commission that you pay and the slippage that you incur when you switch from one contract to the other. But that should be minimal. It's the commission and then the slippage. But that doesn't mean that the position itself changed. Your overall profit didn't change at all. It's just starting from a different point.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.